Check out this thing I made. Oh, you should see it, man. It's like, oh, it like floats in the air. It's obviously a vase. I printed it in vase mode. It is fucking sick. It is so cool. Look at it. Ready? Bling, 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 bling. Look how flexible it is. It's 0.4 of a mil thick, the wall. It went around like a spiral, like a thread, up and up and up and up, and printed it. Look how good it came out. It came out like this. No stringing, nothing. Well, look at it. So the way it works is it needs to sort of do stringing. See, it prints, stops, prints, stops, prints, stops. You know what I mean? So, see all the little lines in here? So it's just little tiny lines, and the stringiness gives it that wall. See? See, I'll come show you. Check out this. I'm doing another one because it's just so cool. It's an Ender 6. There's the material. Look how big the motor is of the stepper motor, stepper thingamajig. Look how big it is for the extruder. It's huge. Love it. Anyway, see if I can get a good shot at it. Oh, can I get a good angle? I'll turn off this bloody light. See, it goes, dude. Takes 2 days to print. Just under 2 days. Pretty cool. It's so light. Oh, it's like a balloon. You throw it up in the air and it floats down. It's amazing. Love what you can 3D print. Look how cool that is. Like it's amazing. Look at this massive octopus. This weighs 700 grams. It's almost a kilo. It's massive. Ugh. Printed that on the Ender 5 Plus. Now I'm printing on an Ender 5 Pro. This machine, I'm printing a cup holder for a Nissan Patrol. Wait, is it? Is it Nissan Patrol? I think that's what it's bloody called. Or is it a Mitsubishi? I think it's a Nissan, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, it looks like a fucking piece of toast. It's going to be a cup holder. The Benchy. Here's Batman. Here's a couple of more octopuses I printed the other day. Little ones. Take 4 hours to print. Yep. CNC lathe, I was making some, this is hard steel, I think it's like 4140, machining some spherical curve washers on this CNC lathe the other day. And all you have to do is go into the offsets, and I change the offset to 9mm, and you can make thicker or thinner washers, because I was using this boring bar, which was tool 12, I think, tool 12, yeah, that's it, tool 12 offset, move it 9mm, and then you make the washer thicker. So I was making 1.5mm thick washers, and if you wanted to make it 2mm thick, you just move it 9.5 to make it 2mm, because that's 0.5 more. You can make it any thickness you want. You could make them 10mm thick if you wanted to. You just change the offsets.